Today I'm going to show you how to refund a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. In this guide, we're focusing on recording a refund or credit that comes back to your business credit card. This usually happens when a vendor reverses a charge, gives you a refund, or credits part of a purchase. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, click New in the top left corner. Under the Vendor section, select Credit Card Credit. This opens the credit card credit form. First, choose the payee. This should be the vendor or company that issued the refund. Next, select the credit card account that received the refund. Make sure this is the same card used for the original purchase. Now enter the date the refund or credit was issued. After that, choose the same category or expense account used on the original credit card charge. For example, if the original charge was recorded under supplies, travel, repairs, or another expense category, use that same category here so QuickBooks reduces the correct expense. Enter the refund amount. If the refund is connected to returned inventory items, enter the returned quantity as well, so your inventory records update correctly. Before saving, review the payee, credit card account, date, category, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. The refund will now be recorded in QuickBooks and should appear in your credit card register. And that's how to refund a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online in 2026.